Hey, what's up guys? In this video we'll be taking a look at Android 5.1 that has been released by Google. I'll be also showing you how to install Android 5.1 on your Nexus devices, so check out the video description to know more. With the introduction of Android Lollipop, materialistic design has been given the priority. So what are the changes that Google has introduced in Android 5.1? Notification center has been changed. Now you can see down arrows on your Wi-Fi and also Bluetooth option, which allow us to manage Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings right from the notification area. We can also see that animation has been added to the notification toggles, which gives us a better look. Now when you receive a notification, you can just swipe up so that the notification icon remains on your status bar, which can be accessed later. Silent option has also been added with this update, which was missing on previous versions of Android Lollipop. HD voice calling has been added between compatible Android 5.1 devices, which gives us a crystal clear voice clarity. The best feature is the security option, just like iCloud activation on Apple devices. With this update, device protection has been activated. For instance, if you factory reset your phone, you have to enter your Google email ID and also password to access your device. Multi-SIM card support has also been added for dual SIM devices like the Moto G or Moto E and etc. RAM management is also improved, which fixes the memory leaks on various devices. With Android 5.1, battery improvement has also been done, where you will be getting the better battery life on your devices along with the smooth animation. Android 5.1 is a huge update provided by Google. The launching of application has also been fast. There were no lag or whatsoever while using this device. Force close issue has also been resolved, which I was getting on some of the application on my device. Overall, my experience with Android 5.1 has been really good. Do leave your thoughts in the comment section below whether you like the changes or not. Hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please do hit the like option down below, and also do subscribe to my YouTube channel for the more Android content that I'll be doing in the near future. Also do follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and Google+. Till then, I'll be seeing you in my next video.